In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your audience in Mailchimp. Segmentation helps you send the right message to the right people by grouping contacts who share something in common, like location, engagement, or sign-up source. This quick workflow creates a location-based segment using the address field, and the same approach applies to other filters too. Start on your Mailchimp home dashboard. From the main navigation, click Audience. If you manage more than one audience, make sure you're working in the correct one before continuing, because segments live within a single audience. Next, open the Segments area. This is where all your saved groups live and where you'll build new ones. Click Create Segment to open the segment builder. You'll see a prompt to select or search a filter. Open that menu and choose Address. This filter relies on the address field stored on your contacts, so if you don't see the results you expect later, double-check that your audience data includes addresses in a consistent format. With address selected, adjust the condition to contains. The contains operator is great when your address data isn't perfectly standardized or when you want to match part of a city, state, region, or country name. If you prefer exact matches, you can explore other operators in the same dropdown. For this example, contains keeps things flexible. Now type the text you want to match. This could be a city, a state or province, a postal code fragment, or a country name, whatever best reflects the group you want to target. When your filter is set, click Review Segment. Mailchimp will show a preview count so you can confirm how many contacts match your criteria. If the count seems off, look for typos, extra spaces, or inconsistent capitalization in your audience data. When everything looks right, click Use Segment. Give your segment a clear descriptive name that reflects the rule you set so teammates can recognize it at a glance later. Naming by the field and value is a helpful convention. Once you've named it, click Save and Exit. Then head back to Audience to see your new segment listed alongside any others you've created. From here, you can use this segment when building campaigns, automations, or reports, ensuring that messages reach only the contacts who meet your chosen criteria. Keep your audience data clean and consistent to improve match rates, and remember that segments update as new contacts meet the rules you've defined. That's it, your audience segment is ready to go.